Hello and welcome back. We are going to be learning Baby Boots A-B. Nice little dance. It's an absolute beginner, so a nice easy beginner for those starting line dancing. It's a 32 count, so we have 4 sections. This was choreographed by Holley from the US back in November 2023, but we still love dancing to it. So let's get started. As usual, I'm going to go into step by step with the name of the steps. Then we're going to add some count. And then after, I'll break down the steps a little bit more for those of you that's still learning and trying to get your steps together so I can help you with that. Let's get started. We're going to start with what is called a Charleston step. That's your first section, your 8 counts. So you start with your right foot, body weight is on the left, means your right foot is ready to start. So you're going to step forward right, kick left, left goes back, touch back right. Again, the same, step right, kick left, step back left, and touch. That's your Charleston step. Let's do it with a count in 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's your first 8 counts. Let's go with the second step. We're going to do a hustle or a walk forward. It's 3 steps and a kick. Body weight is on your left. We're going to start walking with the right in 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes 1, 2, 3. You kick on 4. Walks back, left foot first. 1, 2, 3. Touch with the right. Let's do it with a count in 5, 6, 7. You walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely. Again, make sure that you do not step because your body weight should be on the left because the right foot is going to start again. Your right foot is going to go forward to start hip bumps. As you step on that right foot, body weight goes to the front to do 2 hip bumps. When you do the 2 hip bumps, you basically are just kind of bouncing. And you do back, 2 back with the left, bounce twice. Now 4 singles, like forward, back, back. There you go. Let's do it with a count. So body weight on the left, ready in 5, 6, 7, and hips go 1, 2, back 3, 4, single 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're doing this, you're still facing this wall, even though it looks like you're in an angle, right? All right. Here comes the last section, the last 8 counts. We're going to do your grapevine, starting going to the right. So you're going to step behind, step and touch. As you do your grapevine to the left, you're going to do a quarter turn to the left. So you're going to open left, cross back. You're going to turn the toes a little bit into the left and then continue touching with the right. And now you're turned and you're done. You did the whole thing. Now let's do the whole thing with the names of the steps. 5, 6, 7, and Charleston, forward back and touch again, forward kick, back touch, hustle walk, forward, kick, back walk, and touch. Hip bumps, 2 rights, then go back to left, single, 4 of those. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left with a turn and step and done. Let's do the whole thing with the count. 5, 6, 7, and Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hustle walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hips go 1, 2, 3, 4, single 5, 6, 7, and grapevine 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7 and 8. You did it. Let's do this wall together. Ready? Charleston, 5, 6, 7, Charleston, step, kick, step back, and again, step, kick, step back. Hustle walk, ready, 1 and 2 and kick, back, 1 and 2 and touch. Open for 2 hips forward, 2 back, and singles, 1 and 2 and 3. Grapevine, open right, 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, turn 7, touch 8. You did it. One thing that is super important, when you finish with that grapevine and you're turning, it's very important we remember that body weight exchange, because when you turn left, back, step, if you just do that little touch with your right, you are ready to start the Charleston again, which means that right foot is going to step forward and kick. If we don't, if we're going to open, step, you may want to start using your left foot, and that could be trouble. So that count 4 is always a tiny little bit touch, allowing you to start the dance all over again. Well, repeat it a few times. I'm sure you can get it. And then there's music and you're going to have some fun. Thank you.